Hey, good afternoon. Let's have a look at some Tamiya kits. The ones I'll show you are this one, and I've got this one up here on the wall. That one there. They're really good kits. So the first one we'll look at is the Len Lease Matilda. Now this is a re-release. So they released this one in 2017. So the Len Lease Matilda in 2017. So it's got some new figures and a couple of new details. Like they've changed the opening hatches here, and they've changed the tracks. They've also changed, they've put some skids in underneath there that you can't see. Not much difference from the earlier kit that they did. So that's a popular thing that Tamiya is doing lately, is just getting old kits and, like that one, putting new figures in them. This kit is an award-winning kit. It's a really good build, and it is a very, very decent tank. I wouldn't get it now, like I'm right into mini art and all that, but Tamiya, like these are the first kits I did. Tamiya, I got a whole bunch of Tamiya kits, and yeah, this kit is good. Now the only downfall is the tracks. Now what they are is they're this sort of plastic track, the individual tracks, and you glue the two bits together, and then you snap them together. Try to feed those in and trying to put them on, they don't stay on. You'll have to get the super glue out and super glue them to your tank, because they're terrible. The figures are really good, so they're really detailed, the figures. I haven't painted them that well because they're my early figures, but they're very good. So you get two. The stowage they include is pretty nice. Not great, but nice. And they've got a good detail set in there as well. The tank itself is detailed. There's no photo etch in it, so it's all plastic. It's very easy to build, and it is a very easy build. It's only a few steps. It's not a difficult build at all. Like all Tamiya kits, really easy. The next one, now the crew, this doesn't got the crew. It does come with one figure that goes in the back, and he looks all right. This one was released in 2008, and this is a new release. Now it does have rubber tracks, and they put those in because you've got a working suspension system, but I would have much preferred link and length tracks and just a suspension that doesn't work. But anyway, this is a fantastic kit. Now it doesn't come with the beer bottles and the boxes and the hand grenades and all that. It doesn't come with the figures. They all come from Mini Art, and these come from Master Box. But the kit itself, the actual Sturmgeschütz, is an amazing piece. Highly recommend this kit. Very easy to build, very easy, really good to put together. Now there is some photo etch in this, so you've got some photo etch grills there, another one there, and then you've got some photo etch light covers. No bending at all, which is good because Tamiya photo etch is impossible to bend. You just place them straight on. They're very easy. Okay, so it's a really good kit, really easy to build, and it comes up sterling. If you get the Master Box crew with it, wonderful, wonderful. And of course it's got the interior. It doesn't have a full interior. It has only the fighting compartment, so there's no engine, there's no transmission, and there's no driver's compartment. And then we've got the Normandy edition Marta. Now this is another re-release of an older kit, just with new figures. Now you get 5 figures in this, and I've only put 3 in. So you get a loader, a gunner, and a commander. You also get a Panzer Grenadier you put to the side, and you get a half figure driver. But I didn't like that, so I left that shut. I can't say there's much wrong with this kit. The link and length tracks are amazing. It all goes together really easily and very well. The only problem is the photo etch. That is unbendable. You really have to wrap that around the exhaust before you install it, and tie it on as you're holding it down. It just doesn't bend. It's like magic metal that you bend it and it just magically goes back to the position it was in. Really nice. I like it a lot. So the decals came up good, so you don't get a heap of decals, you just get some basic ones. But yeah, the kit's very nice. You can see the detail's pretty good. No issue with this one at all. Really liked them. So yeah, there's a couple of really nice Tamiya kits. If you're looking for Tamiya, they're really good ones. Alright guys, see you again soon.